Hey, this is Steve with Best Bid, and I have a great video for you today that I'm sure you don't want to miss. It's going to be entitled, Why Didn't I Think of That? So today I'm going to show you how to make the best bid work for your company. Estimating starts with material in the database, so you might think the more material in the database, the better the software. Best Bid comes with loads of material in the database, and we're also connected to NetPack or NetPricer, which adds about 1,700,000 more pieces that you can choose from. You can try them out and get a free trial. Download as many of their parts and pieces in our database as you like. But do you really want to wade through that many parts and pieces just to find a 4x4 box that you want to use? I'm going to show you today how to make Best Bid your company's software. I had a customer call me and they said that they could not find a part to a street light. And I asked what he was looking for, and he said it was an Inman traffic light controller sequencer with 39 sequences and 3 channels, blah, 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 blah. I don't have any idea what that is, but I know we don't have it. So here's a picture of what we're looking for. So I did a quick Google search, and these were the results right here. So I ended up telling him just under $55 and whatever labor he thought it should take. Then I suggested if you worked on street lights, then he should really consider adding his parts and pieces to the Best Bid database. We don't have specialty parts and pieces in the database because so few people would ever use them, and if you did do street lights, you might not ever want that specific part anyway. So just add them to your database. So I was sensing a lot of confusion just by the silence on the phone, and this is why I created this video. I'm going to show you how to put the parts and pieces very easily, very quickly into your database once and for all, and it's very simple, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, you can start by mapping out your needs. You need to take some time and think about this. You can always change it later, but just go through and look and see if there's anything that you need to add that's not already there. So let's start with your categories. When you add a category, that makes it easy to find the items you're looking for. So just think about how you want to map it out and write it down. So go over the Best Bids categories and determine if you'd like to see anything new or if what we already have will work for you. So like breakers, controls, devices, enclosures, so on and so on. It's it's all there. So you might want to leave it alone, or you might want to add new ones. So you may want to add new categories, or you might find that what we already have is sufficient. So add a new category. You simply go to Admin, Master Files, Item Categories, and select New. So you're going to go to Admin, button right here, Master Files, Item Categories. You're going to see this list, and then you're going to select New. To add a new category, you just select the New button, and then you add in the category name and description. In most cases, they're going to be the same. Leave the parent category alone. So that's it. That's all it is. Now you can add a subcategory. A subcategory are these subcategories under the category Equipment. So under Equipment, you may have gear for quoting, load centers, meters, etc. Select New to add a child or a subcategory. That's this button right here. So when you click that, it's going to open up and let you add a subcategory. That's really all there is to it, to adding categories. Next, adding products is going to be even easier. Okay, step 1, you go to Admin, right here, Master Files, right here, and the Items. This opens up the database. So you want to export your items out. So go to Export Items, and when it prompts you, say, go to Desktop. So all this will be on an Excel file on your desktop. open the Excel file that's called items. Start by going to freeze view, freeze pane, and then freeze the top row. What this does is this makes this top row visible when you start scrolling down. You know where the headings are. So you want to scroll down till you see these blank cells. Now just follow my instructions. So you go to where this is, your cells open up, and the easy way to do it is to copy this top row. Open up a new Excel file and paste that top row. And you can simply write them into the master if you wanted to. There's no right way or wrong way. But so now the rules is just easy as 1, 2, 3. You have one category, 2 man hours, and 3 descriptions. So I'm going to explain all this to you. Okay, so you just would add a new item. I would normally copy these off another spreadsheet that is already created, but you're going to put under item name, you're going to put description, and you're going to put hour description. All three is going to be the same name. Man hours, there's going to be 2 places and 1 in category. Now, the category has to match an existing category. So make sure that you match an existing category. So then you just would simply add new item 2. Put in your man hours, put in your category, so you just copy that description, put it in 2 more times, put in your man hours. You already have your existing category. Now you could pre-do these out, and you could say I wanted these products. These are some gear items. So again, you put them in 3 times. You put in the man hours. Put the man hours in twice. And then you put the category. It must match exactly an existing category. Okay, when you finish this, you can copy everything you have. And you come over here and you can paste it. And obviously I didn't get it exactly right for some reason. So we move it over to there. So we have our items, our item description, our man hours, item description, and the category. Now, this is our master list. All you have to do from here is save this list. File and save. Go to Best Bid, import items from Excel. When you import that list in, the new items that you added are going to be added to the database. And it's that easy. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, give me a call. As always, have a blessed day.